endless amounts of things that I've wanted. Cars, watches, jewelry, fashion, your dream wife. I wanted it all. And there was literally nothing I was going to let get in my way of getting everything that I wanted. I mean, I was going to stay up till 6 a.m. I was going to walk 10 miles if I needed to, just to make it to wherever I got to get to further my life. Every single thing that I ever wanted, I went after that shit by all means. The Ferrari I have, I went after that. I went and made the money, $300,000. The Lamborghini I have, I went after that, $400,000. The house I got, 7 figures. Everything that I wanted, I went after that. But you have to ask yourself, if you want to get in my position, how bad do you want it? How far are you willing to go? Because this shit took everything. Yeah, so once again, I'm in the Ferrari right now, one of my dream cars. I mean, this is a car that I wanted for a very long time. This is a car that I think every car guy inspires to have. And the thing is that I got all three. As you guys seen, I have the McLaren, I have the Lamborghini, I have the Ferrari, I have the Trinity. And I don't say Holy Trinity, I'm a Christian, so we're not gonna get all weird with that. So I have the Trinity of the cars, like every car that any man that wants to aspire to be anything wants. You want the Ferrari for the classy vibes. I got the Lamborghini for when it's time to get a little bit more chaotic, a little bit more louder, some more ruckus going on. And the McLaren's just super fancy car, honestly, just a lot of vibes going on with that. But I mean, you gotta want it bad. I didn't get here by not taking life seriously, not investing my money, not investing my time into the right people. I made a lot of mistakes, don't get me wrong. I mean, back in the day, there were plenty of opportunities where I could have been more successful. Now that I've been through situations where it's kind of funny because I own all my cars cash, but I used to finance a lot of my cars, and I got a lot of my cars repossessed. Like, all jokes aside, I literally got a lot of my cars repossessed. I'm literally in business meetings while financial companies are calling me to come pick up my car, a whole bunch of different crazy stuff. So to be able to have that trajectory change, to be able to have God help everything in my life, you just gotta want it that badly. I got to a point where I was tired of being tired. As my friend says, just not playing life in hard mode anymore. Literally just not making my life harder than it has to be, not surrounding myself with people that make my life harder, not doing certain things that I could be doing, or going the extra mile to make extra money to be able to get to where I want to get to now. And now I'm able to cruise with my friends on a daily basis in supercars. Like, I literally drive a different car every day. I'm not even joking. Every day of the week, I drive a different car. And to my own, excuse, I at least put miles on my supercars. They're not just sitting in the garage, not getting any type of show time, not having any type of outdoor. There's some people, like the guy who had this car before me, he had this Ferrari for 3 years, and drove 1,000 miles on it. In 3 years, I'll probably at least put 10,000 on it, at least, minimum, you know what I'm saying? I'm really outdoors, I'm really living my life. That's the true freedom, I don't know why he only put 1,000 miles on it, but for a lot of supercar drivers, I don't think they're really that free in life, They're so constricted to the depreciation or this and that. I don't care about any of that. I just care about enjoying my time. I mean, life is short, you know what I'm saying? 25 years old, millionaire now. I used to be homeless, Section 8, all that crazy stuff going on. And I'm telling this for anybody that really wants it, you gotta really want it bad. And I'm not talking about halfway want it. You gotta really be willing to put everything down that's temptatious in this world to be able to get what you want. You don't get in a Ferrari, McLaren, Lamborghini by fooling around and just doing things that absolutely do nothing for your life. I promise you that right now. You gotta spend every single second wanting that. Like, it's that serious.